Hello, new friend. My name is Fred. The words you hear are in my head. I said my name is Fred, and I've been very naughty.
Hello, I am back with another tutorial. Today is my second day of quarantine and I'm dying of boredom. So grab your wine, worship your pyramid of toilet paper, and let's get started. Delicious. So we're starting with my brows covered quite thickly. We need to protect them from some liquid latex that we're going to be using later. And then we're going to get started on drawing Fred's mouth. Fred's mouth is quite big, so I'm going to use a brown contour color to draw his very big smile. I'm using this just so I can erase my mistakes later. And then of course, his teeth are chunky and misshapen, so using that picture as a reference, I'm drawing in the teeth to the best of my ability. I'm super excited to be making another Courage the Cowardly Dog tutorial. I love this show growing up, and I think that some of these characters and creatures are the most disturbing things in the world. So I'm happy to be able to recreate them. And now, taking some white cream paint, I'm going to go ahead and fill in all of those delightful, chunky little teeth. You can be kind of sloppy, we're going to outline them later, so just make sure to fill them in. Don't worry about it, nobody's judging you. Well, some people are judging you, but, you know, whatever. So I'm just taking a white powder and setting all of that cream, and then I'm going to take a black eyeliner. This is just a felt tip eyeliner by Physicians Formula, and I'm going to outline all of those teeth. This will really give it that precision that we need, and help to give it that cartoony look. The style we're going for is kind of half cartoon, half realistic, which just makes it look even creepier, and that's kind of fun. And what you see me doing here is taking a beige, bone-colored eyeshadow and going over the teeth because they were a little too white for me. And because Fred's smile is so wide, we're going to add some smile lines before outlining the shape of his mouth. So if you look at Fred's face, his mouth is actually wider than the rest of his head. So in order to make that illusion on our face, we're going to use some contour to sort of fill in our jaw around the shape of the mouth that we've drawn on. And then I'm going to add some highlight onto the mouth just to make it pop out a little more. And that'll help to sell the illusion. Pretty. We are then going to take that contour color up further onto the jaw, and then switching to a brush, I'm going to outline the shape of the rest of Fred's head. And to do that, I'm just going in a little bit, and then filling in all of that blank space. And now I'm going to take some of my highlight color, and I'm just going to go around the edge of my face, just to, I don't know, sell the illusion, whatever. Fred's eyes are very, very big, so I'm going to take some black cream paint and draw, like, I don't know, a C shape underneath my eyes and blend it out with eyeshadow. Then I'm going to fill it with white cream paint. Now, if I was really doing like a super accurate Fred, I would be using green cream paint because his eyes are this gross green color, but I don't have the contacts to recreate that, so I'm sorry. I neatened that line with some eyeliner, and now I'm putting brown eyeshadow on my eyelid and using it to sort of contour my brow bone very, very flat. Now I'm just taking that brown shadow and playing around with some of the shadows and highlights and whatever that I added earlier. And now I'm going to contour my nose so it looks a little grosser and longer. To make your nose look extra long, add a little bit of highlight to the very, very bottom part of your nose. And my camera stopped filming at this point, but you can see I added like a lower lip contour, and I deepened some of the shadows and highlights around the smile lines. Now I'm taking some black cream paint and I'm going in and filling in the rest of the mouth and, you know, giving it a little bit more depth and shadow. And then I'm taking a powder on a liquid foundation brush because I'm actually an idiot and I'm setting that cream contour. I also rounded out my forehead because I felt like it. And I fixed some creases because I have very wrinkly under eyes. If you don't have wrinkly under eyes, you don't have to do that. And something was missing, so This would be a good time for you to go look at my other tutorials, like my King Ramses makeup tutorial, or the coronavirus tutorial I made yesterday. Where am I? Oh, I was putting on an eyebrow. So this is where we use liquid latex. I cut off some hair from a wig, and now I'm just going to stick it onto my head using liquid latex. If you did this without covering your eyebrows, you would lose your eyebrows. So don't lose your eyebrows. Let it dry for a bit and then trim it with some scissors. If you're scared of using scissors, grow your own eyebrows. You could also totally draw on the eyebrows, but I don't know. I felt like adding actual hair on my face was, like, more disturbing. I don't know, it looks disturbing to me. So then I went and put my contacts in off camera, and I grabbed a fabulous blonde bob wig, and I'm going to put that on my head and give it a wonderful side part. Then I'm just going to tease the shit out of it until I get my desired style. Fred's hair is very spiky and messy, so just, I don't know, go for that. So at this point, you're ready to be creepy. Except, hold on, no you're not. I have to go. What am I doing? This would be a really good time for you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share, and click that notification bell for notifications about when I post. Alright, this is a little too close, so we're going to zoom out, and we're going to fix the lighting, I hope. Great, we're good to go. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.